This award is brought to you by AT&T.
Hi, my name is Bala Subramanian and I'm the Chief Digital Officer for AT&T. I'm excited to participate in this year's Tech Titans Gala alongside my colleague Amy Vilas as your chair and this year's host. At AT&T, we are on a mission to connect people with every aspect of their world and to do it better than anyone else. For those of us in the tech industry, that means staying ahead of innovations, enabling digital transformation strategies, and increasing focus on cybersecurity, and of course by being agile to handle disruptions and new challenges like the ones we have seen in 2020. CIOs around the world have had their systems, platforms, and technologies pressure tested like never before, which is why AT&T is proud to sponsor this year's CIO Award to recognize outstanding leadership. My heartfelt congratulations to all the winners on this incredible night.
Ellen Barker, Texas Instruments. Ellen Barker has built an IT department that excels across diverse company functions and delivers innovative solutions to strengthen the company's position in the marketplace. Under her leadership, IT has prioritized the automation of key processes, improved cybersecurity and factory automation, and increased resources to meet long-term needs. Gertrude Van Horn, NCH. Gertrude Van Horn's success can be attributed to an understanding that the CIO's role extends beyond technology and into business enablement. Under her direction, the IT department became a team of collaboration and partnership, championing worldwide implementation of Salesforce.com, leading global infrastructure security compliance, and expanding ERP deployment and implantation of Oracle to 36 countries. Maduri Andrews, Jacobs. The IT leadership of Maduri Andrews has led a successful integration of systems and employees after Jacobs acquired competitor CH2M and divested its multi-billion-dollar energy, chemicals, and resources business. Along the way, Maduri has been instrumental in moving Jacobs from a traditional engineering firm to a technology solutions company. Neelu Sethi, Ready Ice. Neelu Sethi has created an environment of IT innovation and enabled a significant future growth for Ready Ice during a time of great transition in the company. She stabilized the ERP system and created and led her team in the execution of a visionary IT roadmap, building IT talent, enabling data as a source of truth, rolling out field technology, and retiring several dated legacy systems. And the winner is Ellen Barker with Texas Instruments.
So first of all, I want to say thank you to Tech Titans. Thank you for what you do in our community, for connecting people of technology in North Texas. It's a great organization and I'm proud to be part of it. I also want to say I'm humbled and honored to be a finalist for this award. I'm humbled and honored actually to be nominated with 3 remarkable women. All women that were nominated for CIO of the Year, and I'm proud to not only call them great, but to call them my friends. And lastly, I wanted to say thank you on behalf of TI for this recognition and for this award. Certainly it's not about me, it's really about my team, for all the hard work they're doing, for the difference they're making and the impact they're making for our company. And so I want to say on behalf of TI, thank you very much, and I'm humbled and honored.
The Tech Titans Corporate CTO Award